All right, and top coat. Close this beauty because you don't want to cure it. And then put that one on. Flash cure for like 30 seconds. Okay. Thank you so much, Pandemic DIY Nails. And then for 30 seconds, and we're gonna add some more. The reason I'm using is really handy is Duo and Crystal Picker, because it will go into really smaller details. If the crystal placement, I can use those instead of the tin tip brush. So I'm gonna do right here and over the pumpkins. You're gonna cover the pumpkins with the top coat anyway, because you want to protect that as well when you wipe it up. And then I go ahead and using the no wipe top coat right there and floating on right here. And now the cloth is kind of a little bit really nice and heavy, so you want to make sure that it stay exactly where you're at. Put pumpkins, but the claws come in because of that, so we're gonna leave the claws right there. All right, so I'm going ahead and key it again. Looks cool though. It's grab right there, the claws. Okay, here it's kind of heavy though, so you might have to hold it like that. Before that, let's flash key it first so it stations right exactly where you want, and then you can able to doing it like 30 seconds key. 30-second key, so it won't be moving too much. I absolutely love this collection. This is under new arrivals, and you have like 6 different jars and a whole collections of each of them. Are really cool, 10 pieces, stunning for Halloween. That's pretty much everything you need. It's everything in there, so it won't be confuse you, it won't overwhelming you. You have everything you need for the season. Also, there's 5 pieces will come in on your subscription box. If you haven't get chance to have in hands on the subscription box, do not miss out, because when you are the October 12th, I believe is the next box is released, so then you can't get the current box anymore, so move on the next box. So grab it. Oh my gosh, poor pumpkin, she's like got hidden in there, huh? Okay, so I'm gonna add some more condensed glue gels, and I also share the unboxing October subscription box. Is really cool and stunning. If you miss it, do not worry, I saved them on my IGTV and also Facebook videos. You can watching that, and also each of your box will come slightly different of, no, it's a theme, it's the same, but it's really cool because each of us gonna have a lot of us getting similar, but it's really cool though. Same theme, but then you get so many idea. If you get subtwine, you're probably gonna get different, I mean not many of overlap, but it's different cool items for your, if you still can't like feel satisfied with your Halloween's products, you can also get the Halloween treasure boxes. Come in a season's Halloween treasure boxes come with a lot of Halloween's products, so you get so much ideas. I'm gonna coat that as well because you needed it to prevent from tarnish as well. All right, let's add some pumpkin spice, and is glow in the dark purple base and beige, like I have an orange base. I'm gonna mix and match them. And you can add the beads between. Oh, this one you can do is silver beads as well. You can do obsidian beads, silver beads. I keep saying it, I'm gonna do the obsidian beads for you. There's so many cool beads that you can get it from the $5 nail art as well. And I'm gonna add some of this. Oh my gosh, poor the pumpkin is so adorable, but this was hidden really well. You know what? The fall colors from the gel polish is everything. It's so opaque, so solid. You can do it to a lot designs, or even like just the one coat painting on your nails. You can tell that I'm obsessed with this. I could hear being here doing the nails all day for you. All right, so I'm gonna add a couple more beads. Oh my god, I love the combination, the colors. You are right. Pandemics DIY nails. And also thank you so much everyone for tuning in. All right, so cool and stunning. I can add this like cool thing. Just drop right there. Look, you know what? The little claws have a little keychains on it to be fancy. All right, we're gonna key it for 60 seconds.